Enthusiasts can grab Nintendo's new wireless earbuds for about $45 in three finishes: black, white, and green. If you're a proficient Nintendo Switch user, you must be familiar with the best Zelda game. If not, then choose one from Breath of the Wild or Tears of the Kingdom, as they are the ones with the most traction Zelda games so far. Only open-world action-adventure games can secure the Nintendo limelight and bag a significant loyal fan base. Now, if you are a broadcasting geek who loves to air your gameplay with friends and family, Nintendo has announced some great Zelda-themed earbuds. These are wireless earbuds, which Nintendo does not seem to be making available everywhere. The UK arm of the gaming firm announced that Nintendo's wireless earbuds are only available in the UK and Ireland. Unlike the previous Nintendo wireless earbuds available on sale, the unfortunate thing is that you can't buy them from the Nintendo store in the US. It should be noted that Bluetooth and Nintendo in the brief history were rarely seen stable on the same page, as the initial support was rolled out 4 years after the console's launch. Enthusiasts can grab these wireless earbuds for about PS3 $545 in three finishes: black, white, and green, out of which the green shade is said to be out of stock.